Hi, how are you? My name's Edward Plant and I'm one of the two founders of the Business League. Together with my wife Rebecca, we run the Business League, and our goal with the Business League is to create a community of business owners that support each other, connect, develop and grow. And we believe that if all our members are better off and doing business better, their communities will grow and it'll make the Gold Coast a better place. So we've got you down to coming to our breakfast on Wednesday the 2nd of May, and I just wanted to touch base and let you know about the breakfast so that you can get the most out of it. So the logistics are: doors open at 6:30 a.m, breakfast starts at 7 a.m, and we finish up at 9 a.m. There'll be a guest speaker, there'll be networking time, there'll be a break, and I'll have a chat to you and introduce myself and get to know you, and then we'll come back for more networking after the break. The speaker we have on Wednesday he's a pretty awesome guy. I first met him in my army life, and he was my boss. And to be honest, don't tell him, but he was probably one of my top 3 bosses in my 17-year army career. Since then, he's transferred out. He's general manager of this company, Smash Care, national contracts, positioning it for sale or floating on the stock market, and he's got a huge wealth of business experience, leadership skills, and he's going to share a couple of those with us. So it'll be really good. If you've got any questions, just hit reply. Bring business cards, bring yourself. We'll have somebody to meet you at the front door and look after you. But I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday. Have a great day. I'm Edward Plant from the Business League.